Okay, this section is numbers 10 to 100. To make larger numbers, you simply add 10 and 1. So 11 would be 10 and 1. 26 would be 20 and 6. Then you add shech, which means and, but only works with numbers. And some communities also use mina, which means and or again for the in-between word. So for example, to say 11, you'd say madatso shech got, 10 and 1. Or madatso mina got. Okay, let's go through our numbers 10 to 100. Madatso shech got, madatso shech nish, madatso shech shwe, madatso shech niao, madatso shech nianen, madatso shech got watso, madatso shech noak, madatso shech shwatso, madatso shech shak. And then 20. Nishwabtek, nishwabtek meaning got, nishwabtek meaning nish, nishwabtek meaning shwe, nishwabtek meaning niao, nishwabtek meaning nianen, nishwabtek meaning got watso, nishwabtek meaning noak, all the way to 27. So I just use mina there instead of shech. At 30, shwabtek, shwabtek shech got, shwabtek mina nish, shwabtek mina shwe, shwabtek shech niao, shwabtek shech nianen, shwabtek shech got watso, shwabtek shech noak, shwabtek shech shwatso, shwabtek shech shak. And here I just went back and forth between mina and shech. It just doesn't matter. You can use shech or you can use mina. Myself, I usually use shech, and that's kind of favored in the north, and then mina is kind of favored down in Prairie Bend in the south. So either mina or shech. Now we get to 40, it's niawaptek, and then niawaptek shech got, niawaptek shech nish, niawaptek shech shwe, niawaptek shech niao, niawaptek shech nianen, niawaptek shech got watso, niawaptek shech noak, niawaptek shech shwatso, niawaptek shech shak. What you notice though is on 20 and 30 and 40, like 20 is nishwaptek. Well, it's got that element of that 2 inside of it. And then waptek. Shwaptek, it has that element of shwe. It kind of flows into it, so it's shwaptek. Niawaptek for 40, it has that niao, like 4 inside of it. Niawaptek. Now at 50 it gets a little different. It's either omtene or somtene. Okay, and if you look at 50, nian omtene is 50, nianen is 5. So it's kind of close, but nian omtene 50, nian omtene shech got, nian omtene shech nish, nian omtene shech shwe, nian omtene shech niao, nian omtene shech nianen. Like I said before, at 50 it changes just a little bit. Now we get to, after that, it just, like 60 is got wat somtene, 70 is noak somtene, 80 is shwat somtene, 90 is shak somtene, and then 100 is got wak. Obviously, nishwak would be 200, shwewak 300, and so on and so forth. Actually, it's sowak. It changed a little bit for 300. But anyway, the thing to remember here is basically 20, 30, 40 have that like wabtek to them, and then after that it's omtene or somtene. So like got wat somtene has that element of 6 in it. That got wat so, and then has that omtene. Noak somtene has that element of noak, which is 7, and then somtene. Shwatso, shwatsomtene. Shwatso is 8, shwatsomtene is 80, so it's got that shwatso and then the omtene. Shak is 9, shaksomtene is 90. That's pretty much all there is to numbers. Basically, if you can count to 10, you can really count to as high as you want. Now, if you were to go to like 456, you don't want to put a shech in between each one of them. Here the best thing to do would be like niawak and then mina and nianomtene shech got watso 456. Or you can just say something like jash, which is a lot. Jash, or manak, a lot of something animate, or moneton, a lot of something inanimate. Okay, that's it for numbers 10 to 100. Aha, ill.